Arguably two of the very best night photography modes on any device currently available, the people's champion has to be the night sight on Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL, but that doesn't mean that the Huawei Mate 20 Pro is a slouch by any means. Let's see how they fare when pitted against one another. So for comparative purposes, I've taken each image in auto mode first to give an indication of just how each night shooting mode improves each image. And again, in the interest of fairness and to ensure no bias, I'll let you make your own decision about which is best. So sit back and let's begin. So there we have it. I think both cameras are absolutely insane with such low light scenarios. One thing I will mention is that if you get a tripod and take the very same images, you actually get slightly longer exposure in both modes and therefore potentially better results. And I'll be sure to try that next time. Let us know what you think in the comments section down below, which is the best night shooting mode. If you want to see more comparisons like this, leave a like, and again let me know what you'd like to see head to head with the Pixel 3 XL and we'll do our utmost to make it happen. Head to the link in the description to see all of the full-size sample images, and then remember to subscribe to see more exclusively Android and Google focused content. But this is Damien saying thanks again for watching, and I'll speak to you later.